everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. LIC has come out with AAO vacancies for the legal officers, and in this video I'm going to talk in detail about the job profile, salary, career growth of AAO officer in the legal stream in LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. It's a very good profile. It is very well suited for people who are looking for job security, consistent growth, and good desk work. So we will talk in detail what all this profile endeavors, what kind of salary you can expect, and what kind of growth over the years you can expect starting at the AAO level. Very quickly about the vacancies that have come out are 30 in total in number, consisting of SC, ST, OBC, EWS and unreserved categories. This recruitment is happening after a gap of 5 years, with the last recruitment taking place in 2020. So it's a very important opportunity for you, for the legal officers. The important dates for this to remember is that the registration is currently open. It will remain open till the 8th of September. So if you have any queries related to it, you can ask us in the comments or in the form that is given in the description box. The exam for this will happen in 2 phases, prelims and mains. The prelims exam will happen tentatively in October, 3rd of October, and the mains exam will be on 8th of November, which is giving you sufficient time to prepare and concentrate on your legal subject. And for the prelims, your reasoning, English and general awareness will be tested. I will discuss in separately for the syllabus what your strategy should be, how you should prepare also. But in this video, we will concentrate on the job profile, salary and the growth prospects. Okay, so before I start, let me tell you, we also guide for this particular exam. We have a course dedicated for the preparation of LIC AAO Legal course, which consists of short, crisp videos, study notes for your preparation, live doubt classes and discussion classes, MCQ booklets for your preparation and practice. We also have separate booklets for the descriptive paper practice, because in LIC this year they have introduced descriptive legal paper also. So a lot of tests will be available to you both for the pre and the mains, including both objective and descriptive part for the professional knowledge and for English also. You can also practice at different levels, at the concept level, chapter level, section test level and the mock test level. iExamB has been guiding for and mentoring students for various legal opportunities over the years, and we are very happy to share that we have 200 plus selections across organizations, including regulatory bodies like RBI, SEBI, insurance companies like GIC, OIA, OICL, and many other organizations, especially in the banking space. Some of the recent selections numbers you can see on the screen in SEBI and in IBPS SO law category. You can find various success stories also on our YouTube channel, Legal B. So if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, I'll request you to do so that you're always updated about the latest exams, the preparation strategy, important questions and success stories to learn from the other selections, right? So let's start with understanding the eligibility. Eligibility is you need a bachelor's degree and an LB degree basically, with minimum 50% marks. If you are from the SC, ST or PWBD category, 45% marks is what you need in aggregate. You need to be enrolled with the Bar Council. This Bar Council can be state or center, right? So you will be eligible, and you need to have 2 years of experience after the enrollment. Okay, this is important. Some of you had asked us whether this enrollment experience before the enrollment will be counted. No, 2 years after the enrollment. While enrollment can be either state or center, not necessarily only center. right? And your experience should be even either as an advocate or a law officer, right? Your age should be between 21 to 32 years, with the cutoff date being taken as the 1st of August. If you have any further details, you can check out this video related to the eligibility criteria on the Legal B channel. Let's get into the most important topic about the salary. Salary for being offered by LSE is one of the most attractive, with one of the highest basic pay being offered at 88,635. Your overall gross emolument, including various allowances like your HRA, and your city compensatory allowance and all, total gross salary is 1,26,000 per month in a grade A, class A city. So this is a very, very good salary to start that they are offering, to give you an insight into what the salary means and what it can be for your take home. Because many times the gross salary looks very attractive, but your take home reduces substantially. Here your take home is also more than 1 lakh per month, right? So 1,20,000, as I told you, is your gross pay, including the basic pay, which is one of the highest basic pay being offered. And then there is a special cadre allowance, dearness allowance, HRA, and transport allowance, giving you a total of 1.2 lakh per month. After your tax and other deductions, your take home salary will be more than 1 lakh. So very, very attractive salary that is there for you to get interested or take this opportunity seriously. And as I said, this may not come every year, so if you are eligible, you should consider looking into this particular vacancy. What is your profile like? Your profile is likely to be largely, not 100%, but largely a desk job, which is focused on documentation, compliance checking, coordination, and there could be some field visit related to court appearances and negotiations. The broad areas around which your profile will move around will be drafting and vetting, which will be drafting and vetting of various contracts that LIC enters into, agreements, affidavits, petitions, and other kind of legal documents. It will also be advisory and compliance based, where you're giving advice on the various policies, claims, or contracts, or any other regulatory matter, and ensuring that LIC is complying with various laws, including, of course, the insurance law and IRDA guidelines and regulations. You will also be involved in the litigation management, in dispute resolution work, and any other support within the LIC, the different department support for any kind of risk management or due diligence work is also where you will be involved in, right? So a good exposure from the ground up till the top is what you will get. So how will you grow in the organization? So this is the entry level. This is where you will enter as an AAO officer. You can move on to become an AO, then assistant divisional manager, senior divisional manager, regional manager, zonal manager, and the ED or the executive director. Usually how this growth happens is this is where at the entry level you will go, which is happening through this process of recruitment, selection of a written exam and interview. Then with depending on your performance, you can be promoted to AO level between 3 to 5 years. With another 4 to 5, 7 years, you can move up to assistant divisional manager based on your performance and internal promotions policies. Then the divisional manager can follow next, then being the senior divisional manager, and the top management is being the executive director, right? So you can move up with consistent efforts in the organization up to the ED level. Where will you be posted? You can be posted anywhere in India, any branches for the first year. However, after 1 year, you are likely to be assigned to the various legal cells. Now, LIC has a huge branch network, but of course the legal cell is not in every branch, right? So after 1 year you will be in various legal cells, and the legal cells are mostly in the central and zonal offices. In certain areas where the zonal office is in a city, where you can say for a particular region or state it is not having a high court, you can have in those cities where the high court is there. To give you an example, the zonal office for UP, Uttar Pradesh, they have in Kanpur. However, the legal cell of LIC is actually in Allahabad, which we also call now Prayagraj, right, and in Lucknow, right, where the High Court for UP and the principal bench, another permanent bench is there. Okay, so we have the High Court in Allahabad and another bench of the High Court in Lucknow. So like this, they can have legal cells in major cities of a particular zone, where you are likely to be placed. So it is not likely to be very small branch postings for you. Okay, so if that is also a concern, this is a very good position to be in the important cities or class A cities in the country. There is a probation of 1 year, which can further be extended to 2 years. In total, LIC expects you to be there for at least 4 years, and there is a bond for 5 lakh in case you do not stay for that long. But as I told you, with more than 1 lakh of a monthly salary, take home salary for you, this should not be a deterrent at all. Very easily, if you can make a comfortable career in LIC. So this is about the salary, the growth opportunity, the profile of an LIC AAO officer. If you need any more details related to the exam, you can download the LIC Legal Exam Guide, which is also including a detailed study plan for you till the exam for both pre and the mains exam. And in case you have any query that you want to ask, there's also a link of a form in the description box which you can fill out and ask your query. That's all for this video. You can download our mobile app for regular following of your courses or the free content on our website. You can also reach out to us at 920-552-4028 or write your query at hello@iexamb.com. Wishing you all the best.